Hello friends, in this video, I will show you how to make notebook paper in MS Word document. So open MS Word. Now here guys, firstly click on layout. In size, select A4. Now here in margins, click on this drop down. Then click on custom margins. Now make 0. Top, left, bottom and right. Make 0 in all position. Then click on OK. Now insert table. Now select only row. Now select this one. Now here guys, you have to select this one. Now here, click on layout. Make this height 0.37. Then you move this size in down like this. Now make the cursor in the last one. Then only just you have to click on tab like this. If you see this size is not proper, so click on layout and select size here later like this, and remove the rows which you have more. Now here click on insert. Now click on shape. Now select the line. Now press shift and hold and draw the line like this. Now make the color for this line and make the color for red. Make shape outline. Weight about 1 point. If you see, this is the proper size. Now here, move your cursor there, press Ctrl, so you will see this plus icon. Now just make the second line here similar. Keep this line very near like this. Now similarly, click on insert, shape, take the line. Now hold the shift key and make the line here. Now similarly change the line for this pair. Select this one, this line. Shape format, select color and select the weight for about 1.2. Now press Ctrl and you will see the plus icon. So make this double line like this. Now here guys, you need one box for date and for time. So insert and here select any shape. I will select this shape. Now draw your shape here like this. Change your shape outline and weight. Right click on it and here click on add text. Type here like date and dot dot dot. Make the size for that is small. Yes, 14 is okay. Make the dot. Now make the time. Not see here. So firstly, make the your now type time and dot dot dot. Now select this one both. And here guys, you need to change the line difference like 1 point. Yeah, this one is okay. Remove space after paragraph. Now here, make your box as your text. Click anywhere so you can change your size like this. Like this. Now make this box as small or keep it proper. Also you can change the color for this one red. Now click anywhere. Now keep proper way like this. So this is how we created a notebook page in MS Word. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos. Now guys, once you complete your paper note, click on file, then click on print. So as we can see, we can create a notebook paper in Microsoft Word easily in just few steps. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, so share, like and subscribe this channel. If you have any question or queries, so comment. I will try to answer it.